Okay, let's see lesson 8, part 4. Okay, the first word. It means life, spell 生命 生命 okay 生命 we can say this life, we can say 生活我的生活 okay, but we can also say like when we're living, and we can say 我的生命中 something something, it's equals to 我的生活中 something something, okay, the whole life, my whole life. Next one, to lack of something, we say缺少 okay, it's like our life always lack of something beautiful, 生活中总是缺少一些美丽美好 right, and we can say this dress is well good, 这条裙子挺好看 right, 缺少一些特点 it's lack of something like to shows the personality, to shows your characters like this, 缺少 something, lack of something. Okay, next one, everywhere, we say 到处 again 到处 it's like it's spring and it's green everywhere, 春天到了，春天来了 right, 到处都是绿色的 it's green everywhere, 到处都是绿色的 okay, 到处 next one, attitude, we say 态度 okay, 态度 it's like I don't like your attitude, 我不喜欢你的态度 her attitude talking to me, 她说话的态度 right, the attitude to do something, 什么什么的态度 okay, last one, therefore so, we say 因此 again 因此 okay, we'll talk about later. Let's see the passage. 草绿了，那是生命的颜色 it's like when the grass turns green, and it's the color of life. It means like in spring everything is coming back, right, going alive again. So it's like when we say when the grass is green, it's like a metaphor to say green is the color of life, right? 花开了 when the flowers bloomed, 那是大自然的礼物 and that is the gift from the nature. What is the gift? It's like the bloomed flowers is the gift from the nature, right? Next one, 生活中不缺少美 we like in our life we don't lack of beauty, there's a lot of beauty in our life, but 缺少的是发现美的眼睛 what we lack of the eye, which can like find the beauty in our life. There's a lot of beauty, everywhere is beautiful, right? But sometimes it's not that it's not beautiful, it's like sometimes we lack of the eyes to find like, oh, this is beautiful like this, right? 发现美，发现 find something, right? 只要有心，只要 as long as, right? 有心 in here is kind of a metaphor. It doesn't mean you really have a heart. It means you pay attention to something, you want to focus on something, or it's like you have a heart to want to do something. Okay, as long as you want to. 生活中的美到处都是 you can find the beauty everywhere in your life. As long as you want to, as long as you pay attention, and you can always find beauty in your life. Okay, 生活的态度要自己选择。生活的态度 the attitude to your life, you need to choose by yourself. 因此 therefore, 遇到烦恼时 when you meet some like wrong or some annoying times in your life, 你应该想一些办法让自己从不高兴的心情中走出来。意思了 You should 想一些办法 think some ways, right? 让自己 do you remember 让 we have learned 使 it's the same, right? 让自己从不高兴的情绪中走出来 to make yourself or let yourself come out of the bad mood. It's like when somebody is like angry or bad mood and they're like kind of locking themselves, right? So this sentence means that you need to figure something out to come out of this kind of mood, to like think of something else, find something else to do, and stop being bad. Okay, so let's say 因此。因此 means because of this, similar to 所以。But it can't be used together with 因为 we have already learned 所以因为所以 because of something, so something, 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 right? Let's see this one. 因为天气很sorry. Because of the weather is hot, so everybody stay at home and like didn't go out, right? This is when we use 因此因为 this is the reason and this is the result. People just stay at home, right? But when we use 因此 we don't use 因为 in front of the reason. We just say the reason first and use two commas to put this between. Okay, so 天气很热，因此 because of this everybody stays at home and we don't use 所以 Okay, just put this in between and we can save these two. Reason, 因此 and the result. Okay, see another one. 因为他最近生病住院 because he's super ill and is in the hospital. 所以 so 很久没有见到他了 I haven't seen him for a really long time. Right? And what should we do when we want to use 因此 We ignore the 因为 and save the 所以 we just put 因此 in between, right? 他最近生病了 This is the reason why we didn't see him, right? 他最近生病住院了因此 so we haven't seen him in a long time. It's the same, right? Let's see another one. 因为我不喜欢这个明星 because I don't really like this superstar, 所以他演的电影我都没看过 I haven't seen any movie he act, right? So how can we use 因此 It's like we say the reason first. The reason is because I don't like this person, so I haven't seen any movie he played. Alright? See, this is easy. Just ignore the 因为 ignore the 所以 just put 因此 in between. And it's a new sentence. 因此 means because of this, so something, something, something. Okay? 因此 where is it? Okay. 窗外是什么样子 It's like what appears outside your window. 我们无法改变 We can't change it. It's like it's raining outside, it's sunny outside, it's snowing outside. It's a metaphor to say we can't decide something happened to us, no matter it's a good thing or a bad thing, right? 但我们可以选择站在哪个窗户前 but we can choose what kind of window we want to choose. Some windows outside is maybe raining, but some windows is like sunny. If you want to be happy, you definitely want to choose the sunny one. Like this, you can choose what kind of thing you want to be, right? 选择一个能够带给我们快乐的窗户 to pick a window which can bring us happy. 这样才能选对心情 It's just like in this kind of things, in this case, you can choose the right mood. 选对生活的态度 and you can choose the right attitude to your life. It means it's all about your choice. If you want to be sad and that nobody can help you. If you want to like go out of this, you need to choose yourself. It's like it means like this. Okay? So let's see the next one. Okay, this is the new words. The first one, science, we say 科学. Again, 科学. And how to say scientists? We say 科学家. Home, 家. Let's see here. 科学家 scientists. Okay, scientist. Next one, to prove something, we say 证明. 证明. If it's how to say? If the birds flies everywhere and the dogs barks all the time, it proves that maybe there's an earthquake, right? 证明可能会地震 earthquake. Okay, 证明 to prove something. Next one, often, usually, we say 往往. It's not exactly like 经常, but it's similar. Okay, 往往 we'll talk about later. Next one, optimistic, cheerful, we say 阳光. We have seen this one, right? If 阳光 used as a noun, it means sunshine. But in here, it's an adjective to describe something like optimistic or cheerful. We say 阳光. It's like the mood is 阳光. The attitude is 阳光. Okay, it's usually used to describe mood or attitude. 阳光. Okay, next one, positive, we say 积极. Again, 积极. Okay, 积极. Like his attitude is positive, or I see this thing is as attitude. Positive. Okay, the last one is characteristic. We say 特点. 特点. Okay, so let's see this passage. Okay. Say 科学研究证明 the scientists' research proves that, shows that 女孩子对衣服颜色的选择 the choice which girls make to choose her like clothes 往往与她们的性格有关 It usually has something to do with their personality. Let's say 往往 往往 indicates that a certain situation frequently happens under specific circumstances, which often occurred in the past, usually used to talk about things somewhat regular. It's like someone is usually late because he is lazy and always gets up late, right? So we say when he's late, it's usually because he is up late, but he is like late again today. Due to what happens in the past, we assume that he's like get up late again. It's like this. We don't talk about specific circumstances. It's just this usually happens, so we assume it happens again. Okay, so let's see here. 学生的成绩 the grade or the performance of the students 往往与他们平时的学习习惯有很大的关系 always have something to do with their how to say their habits of learning. If somebody has a good habits of learning and he's like learns fast and know how to learn and it's easy and effective to learn something, right? So has a lot of things to do with somebody's habit and it's usually have something to do. But if there's somebody is like super smart, he sleeps all the time and like doesn't go to the class all the time, but he is still like really good, and this situation is not what we are talking about. We are talking about something usually happened, regular. Okay, regular. See. something regular. Okay, next one. 遇到不好的天气 when we meet some bad weather, 他往往会提前半个小时出门。He usually when he wants to go to the work, he usually go out half an hour earlier to make sure that he won't be late. Okay, 往往 this is the regular time. He always, but maybe he didn't. This time we don't talk about this. We always talk something regular. Okay, that's one. 在中国古代 in ancient China, 妻子往往是在家照顾家人。The wife usually stays at home and takes care of their families, right? But if somebody is going out to do some trades or do some business with his husband, do we talk about this? No, we talk about most people, most wives, they stays at home and takes their family. We don't talk about some specific one. Okay, 往往 it means usually this happened. Get it? Okay, 往往 let's see again. The girls choose their color of their life. It's usually have something to do with their personality, but we don't say it's definitely have something to do with their personality. Maybe he likes red, but he looks ugly in red, so he has to choose white. Okay, so we don't talk about this. It's talk about the regular time. It's usually about the girl, about their personality. Okay, 喜欢穿白色衣服的女孩子 when a girl likes to wear white, their personality used to be optimistic. Right? 喜欢比较阳光。Next one, 生活态度积极向上是他们的共同特点。Their attitude always 向上 it means goes up. Right? Their attitude always positive. It's their common. Their common is that their attitude is always positive. Okay? 而喜欢穿红色衣服的女孩子 when a girl likes to wear red, their personality always to be sometimes romantic. 颜色也会影响人的心情 and the color always affect people's mood. 不同的颜色 different color 会给我们 will bring us different change of our emotions. It's like when you see something white or yellow, green, and you feel sometimes happy or relaxed. But when something turns black suddenly, and it brings some change to your emotion, right? So 红色让人变得热情 passionate. Red makes people become passionate, and 黄色和白色让人心情愉悦。Yellow and white makes people delightful, right? 黑色却容易让人感到伤心 and black usually easy to make people feel sad. 人们在看到蓝色时会觉得很舒服 When people see blue 时something 是 when something, right? When people see blue, they will feel comfortable. 变得安静下来，变得 we say become, right? 安静下来 it means calm down, be quiet. Let's see 下来。When we used 下来 in the past, we say it means come down from something, come down the stairs, 走下来, right? And it's like my friend is down the building to wait for me, and she calls me, where are you? I say 马上下来, I will come down really soon, right? And in here, 下来 means some status or condition starts to appear and keep moving on. And it's usually something from top to the bottom, or sometimes even it's negative. Okay, let's see this example. 天渐渐黑下来。黑下来，黑 is an adjective, right? It's turning dark gradually. And it's from white to dark. right? Next one，他的声音突然低下来 ，low voice, right? It's from the high to the low. 下 still means something from the from good to the bad, from the bright to the dark, from the high to the low. Still means that. So pick the right adjective. It's not used in all situations. Okay, from white to black, from high to low, right? And 他总是遇到困难就退下来。When he meets some difficulties, he always back. It means when we are doing something, we always meet something like difficult, right? And the thing you need to do is to moving on, but the opposite is he back. And from moving on to back, it's still something like go down. No matter it's the really like the direction, the move, or sometimes we describe their like emotions from high to down. Okay, so let's see here. It's like when people see blue and they will calm down. And in here, it means maybe we see red or somebody is anxious, right? And when he sees blue, and he will genuinely calm down. And it means keep moving on, and he will keep stay calm. And when the day is dark, when the sky is dark, and it will like keep like this for a really long time. Right? So 安静下来，绿色让我们的眼睛得到休息 and the green can make our eyes to have a little rest. It's like some scientists say if your wallpaper on your computer is really good to be green, and because the green is good for your eyes like this. Okay, it's not hard.